Who the heck are you guys? Who are you supposed to be?
Your mom. You there, are you tired of being depressed all the time? Well, the answer to all your problems are in my teachings. Plain and simple. Eat a chair. Come on. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
It's on ABO. What is up with you guys on One Eyes?
Boiled One, I remember your genocides.
I've had worse.
I saw your search history.
I'm the original Dr. Nowhere monster. No, you're not. I am. No, you're not. I am. No, yeah, no, yeah, no, yeah, no, yeah. Who are you?
I'm the terrible thing in one house.
Cool.
Hey guys, we should take a selfie right after we eat some chairs.
I'm down for a selfie.
Same here.
Come on, son, join the family photo.
Aw, Mom, I was playing Angry Birds.
Really?
Yeah.
Come on, it's photo time.
I'm not going.
Yes, you are.
No.
Yes, you are.
No.
What's the matter, you little...
I got that on video.
Give me that phone.
No.
Stop that.
Wait, almost died. Just 5 more minutes of Brawl Stars.
No. How nice of you to join us.
Yeah, whatever. Alright, I'm taking the photo. There you guys are. Who's that guy?